Let's take a look at two of the biggest energy stocks, or two of the big name energy stocks. I wanted to take a look at both Chevron and ExxonMobil. So we got the symbol CVX and we have the symbol XOM. Now, you take a look at the two symbols and you think, oh yeah, the stock charts, they look pretty much the same. And if we just do a quick ratio chart, if I do Exxon divided by Chevron, see that for most of the time, Exxon has been underperforming Chevron for the year, and then now it looks like it's outperforming by just a little bit, like in the last few days. So I want to actually take a look at the stocks themselves. So we're going up, we're going up, we're going up, and to be frank, the rest of the market has been going up this time. Now, not as much. These two stocks have actually been essentially market leaders during this time, and what we are seeing right now is some sort of consolidation right in this area. So this breakout right here occurred right before the QE3 announcement, and when Draghi came out and did the unlimited bond buying program. So if I just take this right here from this top, draw a trend line down, and then just do a similar trend line on the bottom side, we see that it was a channel breakout. And as it keeps going up, we start to realize that it wasn't just a channel breakout, it was a channel breakout that turned eventually into a flag formation. And if I could, let's actually move into a short-term chart. And remember, we're looking at Exxon right now. This formation turned into a flag formation that was an ascending triangle. So simple as this. We draw a trend line across the top. We had a resistance level around 92.47. Let's see how this is doing today. Okay, so it's up around 92.80 right now. And we see that yesterday, and this is the main point of what I'm trying to talk about today, we see that, let's see, on October 5th, we had a breakout. And the target of this breakout, now it's not a huge pattern, but it's still going to give us a nice break. This breakout would be, our aggressive target would be this projected up, which is around 97 bucks, and our conservative target would be just the triangle target, which gives us about $95 or $95.25. And it's nice because we're already seeing this breakout happen today, and it's being continued. It's being continued into today, and we already saw it happen on the. So, XOM, the next one, CVX. You're going to see that it's so similar. Now, what you're going to notice is that Chevron, it hasn't given us a breakout signal yet, but we still have this downward sloping channel that eventually did break out, and it broke out right here. And it continued to come up to this level right here. And we'll actually just use the horizontal line on this one. Came up to here. And then could we call this area down here some kind of ascending triangle? Not really. We really only get like one touch. What we could call it, though, is we could just call it a simple flag formation. And we would just say that this is a consolidation area right here. So how do we target this? Well, once again, we have our conservative target, which is just this formation right here, which would be a rectangle formation. And if it breaks above 118.50, our target would be up around $120.50. And then we have our aggressive target, which is the flag formation, and that gives us a target of about $124. So what I'm trying to get across here is that we're getting close to a breakout, and when we see a breakout, these prices are going to go up pretty darn quickly. Now, if I can go into the indicator charts right now, if I could get into a pretty short term one, I want to take a quick look at this. Let's move into, I'm going to go to a 10-minute. I'm just eyeing this RSI right down here. So 10-minute, 15-minute, 30. I'm going to go over to XOM since that's the stronger one. XOM, Okay, so what I'm noticing on each one of these is that XOM and CVX too, they're both using this level right here, like the 40 level, as a support level. Now this is this is what's called the Constance Brown. That's her name. That would be the retracement level for a bullish move. So you see, you have the 40. This one, you're still using the 40 as support, and even going out further, you're using the 40 as support, and it is not. The stock is strong enough that it's not becoming oversold by going below this 30 level. So it's still looking bullish. It's looking very good. So that's how you're going to trade it. Just in conclusion, in case you forgot, breakout point is 92.47 on Exxon. Actually, that means you could buy the stock this morning if you wanted to, and you could set your stop loss, I'd say, like right below 91.50. So it's a very low risk trade. And then CVX hasn't broken out yet, but that breakout point is around 118.50. All right, trade the breakout, make some money. Happy trading.